Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to measure a galley kitchen. These measurements are important because they help us design a layout that fits your space. Let's get started. Step 1. Draw your walls. Start by drawing 2 parallel lines to represent the main walls of your kitchen. Add any additional walls, such as short walls on the sides. Step 2. Measure the main wall with the window. Choose a starting point. In this example, we'll start from the left side. Measure from the starting point to the trim of the window and write it down. Measure the width of the window, including the trim, and write it down. Subtract these 2 measurements from the total wall length to find the remaining space. Tip: if there is no window, you can skip this step. Step 3. Measure side walls. If the main wall has short side walls, like on the right of the window wall, draw them on your sketch and measure their lengths. Write down all measurements clearly. Step 4. Measure the opposite wall. Move to the wall directly across from the one you just measured. Measure its total length and record it. Include any short walls along this wall as well. Step 5. Mark appliance locations. Sink. If there is a window, the sink is usually centered under it. But if it's off-center or if there is no window, measure from your starting point to the plumbing location. Dishwasher. Note whether it will be on the right or left of the sink. Stove. On the wall where the stove will go, measure from your chosen starting point to the stove connection and write it down. Fridge. Indicate its location, for example, at the end of the wall to the right of the sink, and write it down. Final step. Measure floor to ceiling. Measure the height from the floor to the ceiling and write it down. This is important because it tells us how much vertical space we have to work with when designing the wall cabinets and whether any moldings that go up to the ceiling will fit. And that's it. Those are all the measurements we need for your galley kitchen. Taking the time to measure everything carefully helps ensure that the design comes out just how you want it. Thanks for watching.